Justice is completely shut. Post-mortem reports say rape and murder.
Is this a technical fault or is it purposefully done by?
She didn't return home till 7 p.m. Next day, body was found. Then how they connect her with the case? She is a woman. He did not kill him. He did not bring him to Bangalore. She did not assault him. He was not present at the scene of occurrence.
How many more years should Saujanya and the other departed soul should wait for justice?
Investigation says abduction murder. She was brought from the classroom. Who brought her? She was taken in a car. Which car is that? Vedavalli was killed, burnt in the year 1979. Who did it?
Something very horrific thing has happened in Mysuru. She was murdered. She was assaulted by a 35-year-old guy.
Chief Minister takes her to a room, inserts his hand into her t-shirt. It goes into the heart. See, this is a disease. In Saujanya case, CBI committed fraud. Justice is buried for the last 50 years.
Who should seek justice? Renuka Swami or Pavitra Gowda?
Any connection between her mobile and the incident? He threw chappal on the Constitution of India. Why nobody is protesting? Why is there no court shut in Karnataka? But what else? Tell the world, this is how he has done it. One day she was washing clothes. He goes and stabs 17 times. And head of Yamuna is smashed. Culprits are hanged here. Case itself is hanged.
Hello and namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. And today, we are having somebody who can answer few of our questions. We have him. He can answer every question. But still, because of time strain, we'll be asking the most important question revolving around Karnataka right now. So today, I'm having Advocate S. Balan. He's a senior advocate from High Court. Hello, welcome to KTV, sir. Namaskar.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, taking time, coming to here and speaking, especially clearing the queries of audience, people all around. So, recent times, Karnataka has facing so many issues all around. And there are questions also people want a clear-cut answer. I think you're the best person to come and answer that, sir. So, let's start with Dharmasala SIT.
Sure.
So, sir, a very recent news which people are reading is about High Court has issued a notice to the Dharmasala case plea that there's no action against the activists and YouTubers. So, what you have to tell about that, sir?
See, few vested interest approached the High Court. Maybe with the intention to threat the whistleblowers.
Okay.
Those who crave for justice to departed souls. Many souls craves justice.
Yeah.
Which has been denied for the last 50 years.
So you're saying it's denied. It's not
Denied.
delayed. Okay.
Denied, delayed, all.
Everything is there.
Okay, I use the word shut. Justice is completely shut by the lawmaker, lawkeeper in collusion with lawbreaker.
Okay.
Again, it's an attempt approaching the High Court to gag the mouth of justice seekers. It's only a petition, no order. But 2023, they obtained 2 orders, gag orders. 2024, again 2 orders. 2025, 3 orders. One is John Roe order. So nobody else should speak about Dharmasthala or Saujanya or departed souls. So that order is not in existence according to me because so I fought that case. There is no such order right now.
Okay.
But still police are threatening. So day before yesterday, about 80 places in Karnataka organized a protest meet to demanding justice to Saujanya and others. Okay, then somebody prompted them to move. See, against whom? What type of justice they want? Justice means justice to the persons who were killed, raped, mutilated, buried.
Hmm.
Justice to them, to whom they want justice? What type of justice they want in the High Court?
Hmm.
Against whom? For whom?
For people, yeah, of course, who have been buried. Yeah, correct.
So only they need justice. Whether any petition is filed in the High Court seeking justice to deported souls, mutilated, killed. So post-mortem reports say rape and murder. Investigation says abduction, murders, mutilated bodies, acid burnt bodies, kerosene petrol burnt bodies. Who did it? Why no investigation? So what for they went to High Court? This is my answer.
Sir, you said that there are two different reports coming out. Some is saying raped and murder. The other report is saying abducted and murdered. So is this a technical fault or is it purposefully done by some?
See what happened, Saujanya. Saujanya leaves home in the morning at about 8:30.
Okay.
She comes back by 4:15. She was supposed to attend a function of her family members, relatives. She didn't return home till 7 p.m. Entire family, entire village searched for her. She was not found, missing. Missing complaint was given. Next day, body was found.
Okay.
Bleeding. Body was subjected to postmortem by Dr. Rashmi and Adam. So they collected DNA materials, bleeding, rupture. See, she was wearing undergarment, not recovered. She was carrying notes and books, not recovered. Her umbrella, not recovered. Books, not recovered. Chappal, not recovered. Nearby CCTV cameras, footages not recovered. Some innocent was implicated as an accused. It ended in acquittal. So it ended in acquittal. And who destroyed the materials, evidences? People are craving justice for that. To gag them, people approach courts.
Correct. So, sir, like, should we wait more? Like, it's been already 13 years since Saujanya has been, like, left us. How many more years should Saujanya and the other departed soul should wait for justice, sir? Especially Saujanya.
No, not only Saujanya. See, Padmalata. She was also college-going girl.
Yeah.
She was brought from the classroom. Who brought her? She was taken in a car. Which car is that? Who traveled with her?
Yeah.
It's a shut case. Jagannath Rai investigated. He was transferred. Somebody else filed C report. It's not 13 years. Saujanya, 13 years. Vedavalli was killed, burnt in the year 1979. Who did it? Who did it? It is also shut case. Then all our intelligence agency, investigating agency, our technology, all that is dead. Who is responsible? It's the duty of the government, Home Ministry. Who was the Home Ministers? Saujanya was raped and killed. Who was the Home Minister? Which party? Sadananda Gowda was the Chief Minister. Ashok was the Home Minister. And the entire police officers destroyed the evidence. Why? That's why I said lawmaker.
Yeah.
If lawmaker became lawbreaker, what the lawkeeper can do? So you said how long to wait. So we have to trust lawmaker. If they collude with the lawbreaker, so what else can be done? Why the system is failed? CBI failed. In Saujanya case, CBI committed fraud. Fraud. It's not my version. It's the version of the court. Why nothing was seized? and we keep CBI in on the top of the sky. What they did, they committed fraud in that case, filing a bogus charge sheet. Then what else when CBI fails, where to go? Then it should be given to Scotland Yard Police for investigation. They should declare ours is unfit agency to investigate. That's what it indicates.
So, currently, where is this case standing right now? Like the whole.
See, Saujanya case shut. Padmalata case, BC reported. It is not yet opened. There is no process of reopening the case. Ane Mauta and his sister, Yamuna, sister raped and killed. He was killed brutally in his house. Just 19 days prior to rape and murder of Saujanya. C report is filed. No process of reopening. It can be reopened. So these deaths are not handed over to SIT and no investigation is going on that direction. They can't just like that investigate. It has to undergo some judicial process. So that process is yet to begin. There is no traces of attempt to initiate or trigger the process.
Okay.
So in addition to these named rapes and murders, there were quite a few rapes and murders. See, that Dharmasthala happened to have a lot of resorts, lodges. See, lovers, young lovers. So without the knowledge of their parents, they go there, take rooms. The moment someone come to know that this girl eloped with some boy without the consent of the family, so these girls were abused, sometimes murdered. Their bodies were buried. So that investigation is on. But as for, according to me, investigating officers or IPS officers, good in investigation, they have honesty, integrity. I do not know what pressure they get because the empire is very powerful. It's a fiefdom. See, in the empire of Idi Amin, nobody can challenge him. In the empire of Hitler, nobody can challenge him. In the empire of Mussolini, nobody can challenge him. This is a powerful empire. So, justice is buried for the last 50 years. Justice is denied, delayed, bought, sold, everything.
When you're talking about justice, one more case is there revolving around the Renukaswamy murder case. And the first accused, Pavitra Gowda.
I am the accused.
You're the personal lawyer to her. So, we really want to know, like, there's a buzz going on in the social media. So, there's one hand, people are saying that she will be bailed out very soon. It's very easy for her, or it's not anything she has to do with. And there's another sort of people or set of people who are saying that she should be punished harshly. So, what is happening currently as a legal aspect,
see,
and what
punishment?
Will be the future?
See, it's a process. It's a system. Everything is codified. We are not living in Hyderali Tipu Sultan period. Science and technology very much updated, developed. Anything can be ascertained, found, punished. See, Prajwal, fully under technical, punished. Till his death, he should be in jail. That's the judgment. Okay, you want to know about Pavitra Gowda, this Darshan case, Renukaswamy. Incidentally, I have already filed wakalat for A1, Pavitra Gowda. Okay, see, it is investigated by a group of police officers led by ACP. Then all technical evidence, digital, DNA, voice spectrography, then mobile phones, CDRs. It's a perfectly technical evidence case. See, it's all based on how the investigation was carried on, how the prosecuting agency going to prosecute. See, one person is dead. See, the allegation is some levied message, this, that, and all. Okay, that's in the public domain. Then how they connect her with the case? She is a woman. She did not kill him. She did not bring him to Bangalore. She did not assault him. She was not present at the scene of occurrence. A woman is roped in the case. See, this Renukasamy, morally speaking, levied messages. He should mind his business. Whether she is wife of him or live-in relationship with him, what is concern? Okay, I'm not justifying. So now investigation is over, charge sheet is filed, and she will come out on bail. See, that chance is very remote because Supreme Court rejected her bail, cancelled the bail. Making lot of observations. So getting once again bail on merit is impossible. Any technical ground, I have also filed a bail petition for her in the Sessions Court on the ground that the order of remand is not based on the latest law, that's BNSS. It's on old law, CRPC. That was rejected, okay. Now the trial will begin. So it is like a boxing between the defense lawyer and the prosecuting witnesses. Let us see who knocks
Listening
down.
to you, I am in a doubt now. Who should seek justice, Renukasamy or Pavitra Gowda?
No, justice ultimately by the judge.
Yeah, ultimately by the judge. But
the judge should decide based on the material. Okay, what material is collected, how they connect her, whether her mobile, see everyone has a mobile, any connection between her mobile and the incident. CCTV, whether any material to connect, then DNA material. I am sitting here, I leave lot of DNA profile in this chair, right? I am keeping my hand. This is touch DNA. I may throw this paper like this. My DNA is there, which indicates that I am here. Can I say that I did not come to this studio today? Because I left my chappal there. I entered here. I am talking to you. It's recorded. My mobile is in my pocket.
yeah, sure.
Right? So these are all the materials to connect me that I have come here. Like that, what material, see, it's a beautifully binded charge sheet in 10 volumes. So it has to be decided in the court based on my cross-examination.
So one more question I want to ask you. Very recently, the CJI was about to be attacked by another lawyer just because one of his statement was, or we can say his judgment was it was misjudged by the people in the social media. And then, but being a responsible CJI, he did was like ignoring him and asking his other fellow mates to just don't be distracted with this. And he continued with his work. But later he come on and he said that he never meant to hurt anybody's religious sentiment or something. His judgments were people just misconcepted about that, like whatever he told. So what it's like exactly what you have to say about that?
See, Babri Masjid judgment delivered.
Okay.
Suppose a Muslim threw or acted in a similar manner in the same court against a proceeding officer, telling that it's a wrong judgment. But what would have happened? You would have been declared as a terrorist. You would have been shot dead. His entire community might have been blamed. People like Arnab Goswami may say it's a jihadi. See, bulldozer would have been used. UAPA cases. Then attacking national integrity, sovereignty, sedition case charges. terror cases investigated by NIA. One incident I quote in Karnataka during hijab judgment. See, some agreed, some disagreed. But that's the judgment of the three bench of the Karnataka High Court. One guy posted some message in Twitter. Not one, two. 1 year, both of them were in jail. And no advocate from Karnataka dared to file wakalat or bail petition. Some lawyer had come from Delhi and protected them, got the bail. See, okay, now he threw chappal on the Constitution of India, on the supremacy of law, on the Chief Justice bench. Why no terror case is registered? Is it not Terror Act? Section 13 of UAP Act, 15, 16, 20, 38, 39 of UAP Act. Why NIA has not come into picture? Why national media are shutting their mouth? Why no FIR? In Delhi, who rescued him, escorted him, and within hours, he gives interview to ANI. And he says no regret. He says he is instructed by divinity. And this is the centenary year of RSS, retention of Savarna supremacy, RSS. Prime Minister is RSS, President is RSS, IB, Raw, Intelligence Agency, everything is RSS. Savarnas, only one seat, a Dalit is sitting. He declared himself as a Buddhist, Ambedkarite. His father embraced Buddhism with Dr. Ambedkar, targeted because he happened to be a Dalit.
So you're saying this reactions which is not coming just because it's a, you can say he's a Hindu, and if it would be a Muslim, it would have been different case. That's what you're saying.
That's what happened in Karnataka. That's what happened in everywhere.
Okay.
Parliament was attacked by whom? Nobody knows. Many these people were hanged to death. But who attacked? Unknown. What is difference between attack on Chief Justice and attack on Parliament? Both are one. If you say attack on Parliament is grave, this is also equally. Why the authority of Chief Justice is challenged? And why no case registered against him, no arrest? What it means? Why nobody is protesting? Only few are protesting here and there. Why no courts shut in Karnataka? Why no boycott? Or what else? See, constitution is challenged, constitutional authority is challenged. So, Sanatanavada, Samvidhanavada, Sanatanavada, Samanatevada, equality and superiority. By birth superiority, by birth inferiority. That is Sanatana. He uttered the word Sanatana. What is meant by Sanatana? Savarnas should sit there, not Avarnas. Dalits, see the composition of the nation. Go to any village. There is a place for Dalits, untouchables. Place for Agrahara, Keri, Uru, city. So villas, then Kolakeri slums. So this is the business also based on communities. Jewelry business is carried out only by Baniyas, no Dalits. We have Gaudara biryani, we don't have Madigira biryani. So this is casteist, this is communal. This is communal, this is hate. Hate on a community. That is the reason why he uttered the word Sanatana. Who accept the word Sanatana? Who is big superior by birth? So it's attack on Indian judiciary. It is an attack on our constitution. It is a terror act. And nobody opened their mouth. The Prime Minister kept mum for 9 hours. This is very, very bad precedent.
So listening to you right now, I've heard something about you that you fight cases for Jai Bhim. That usually you does that. Sir, have you ever get a backlash with that? People coming and have you ever faced that any negative sort of approach by the other side just because you're protesting for them?
See, recently Saujanya case, my photo was displayed, projecting me that I am a terror lawyer, I handle cases. And they said, you know, this man, see what type of case he takes. So he's anti-Savarnas.
Like, how do you take that, sir? I really want to know from you because...
Oh, how I take?
Yeah.
I enjoy it. See, they are putting it, let them do that. I'm not going to, I don't even care for it.
Okay.
I'll keep doing what I'm doing.
And definitely same would have happened for the Pavitra Gowda, the Renuka Swami mother cases where they're fighting again. So definitely.
See, I have conducted, I have 37 years of experience.
Mm-hmm.
I have conducted case in Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Gulbarga, Madikeri, Mangalore, this way, that way. I think I am conducting cases of this type. Presently, against state of Uttar Pradesh, I am conducting a case grilling the anti-terrorist squad of Uttar Pradesh. Similar case I am conducting in Patna, Delhi. I am conducting a case, very sensational case in Visakhapatnam.
Okay.
Chennai, NIA court, Chennai courts. See, these are all technical evidence, you know. See, lawyers means not just lawyers. There are celebrity lawyers, hi-fi lawyers, per-hour lawyers, per-day lawyers. The lawyers demand per-day cross-examination, nothing less than 5 lakhs. Nothing less than 3 lakhs. Each day should be paid. See, this is, the profession is going on like that. I conducted a case, 45,000 pages charge sheet. I got him an acquittal, cyber terrorism. So this per day 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, who is affordable? And they are innocents according to me.
Okay.
With minimum bare expenses, I conduct these cases. And they are innocents. Absolutely innocents. Like that, many acquittals I got. Many prosecution also I have done. Many were convicted for life. And most of the cases, very minimum fee.
Okay.
So
like,
and these cases, no hi-fi lawyers, no high-profile lawyers, corporate lawyers take up. Because 45,000 pages to read, understand and cross-examine for years. One stay order lakhs, crores. Who will take up these cases? It's a challenge I am taking. I spend a lot of time for this and for a minimum expense, minimum fees. So nobody else is there, therefore I am doing. If somebody else are doing, I am not going to do that.
Okay, sir. So one last question I want to ask you, sir. Something very horrific thing has happened in Mysuru. A 9-year-old girl being raped. She was murdered. She was assaulted by a 35-year-old guy. And he was shot in his leg. And right now he's under treatment. But the girl has died, sir. She has been stabbed more than 10 to 15 times she has been stabbed. So what law is this, sir? Like, where is this going? Why this girl safety thing is still under this crucial point and still these crimes are coming up? Why? Because is the law is not making it that terrifying for these kind of people who are committing this again and again?
See, it all happens to the lowest strata of the society. You see the victim of this nature. It will not happen in the villas. It will not happen in apartments. It will not happen in hi-fi areas. It all happens in the slums. slum-like houses.
So, but there is something I want to say. It's not just, at this point, I think it's not just going beyond that area. It's like there are people who, girls, small girls maybe, facing this issue.
No, I'm telling you, I'm
Yeah.
coming to that point only.
Yeah.
See, vulnerable. Vulnerable. Another side, pedophilia. It's a disease.
Yeah.
Pedophilia. See, you know, one case, 17 years old girl goes to a ex-chief minister. Chief minister takes her to a room, inserts his hand into her t-shirt. It goes into bra. What do you feel for this? I filed a writ petition in the High Court. See, this is a disease. See, there is no protection to the vulnerable young girls. 35 and 9, he must be a psych. Whether he has done it, he was shot in the leg. Whether correct or not, I am not going to comment. See, you investigate. Tell the world, this is how he has done it. See, here also similar one girl, 17 years, not less than that. She was stabbed, repeatedly stabbed. Many girls are being stabbed. Many children are being raped. So something wrong with the society, no? It's a psychic attitude. They should use psychiatrists to analyze this. Even Saujanya case or Padmalata case, they should have pressed psychologists into surveys.
But sir, this society is acting like this just because they doesn't have a fear towards the law. So that's what my whole point is.
No. This is not the question of, see, vulnerability and the psych. And protectionless. See, one case I have dealt. That girl, she refuses to talk to a man who is already married. He wanted to marry her. It is reported to police repeatedly that this fellow is harassing. No action is taken. One day she was washing clothes. He goes and stabs 17 times. The reason she denied to marry him, he is already married. He's a MA graduate. This fellow is no education. He's a painter. And who has to be blamed? And one more case recent I am handling. That girl's mother pleaded. The local inspector is not taking up the case. It's happened in Bangalore. You see, this is every day it's happening. You go to contract laborers, you go to housekeeping workers, you go to government workers, shop workers. This is going on in India. One or two is coming to light. Otherwise, silence suffers. What happens in our police? Don't bother about it.
So what is the solution to this, sir? Is there any solution?
Solution, the people should fight against that. No, people should have a concern for it. Nobody is bothered. So, Saujanya justice is denied. What people of India, people of Karnataka, people of Mangalore are doing? Why? So this is what is happening. No, nobody, it's a society which has no concern.
So I think the society may be approaching the law to help around these cases.
No. Law varies, and that's why I said lawmaker, lawkeeper, lawbreaker. See, vulnerable, marginalized, A+, L+, young child, girls are being subjected to these type of ghastly crimes. And see this Nirabhai killing,
Yeah.
hanged. People cried, hanged. Same year 2012, Saujanya, 2012 Yamuna, case itself is hanged. Why? How you differentiate? Make a research on this. They're hanged. Culprits are hanged. what is their political background, what is their economic background, what is their community background, what is their caste background. You analyze. They were hanged. I'm not disagreeing with that. Hanging is correct. But analyze. Saujanya, brutally abducted, raped, and then killed. Yamuna bulldozed. You Google it and see that file right now I'm having. That and head of Yamuna is smashed. The case is hanged here. Why? And what is this area? Political background, caste background, community background, financial background, political background. Analyze both. How it happens there? Culprits are hanged here. Case itself is hanged.
Okay. So that's all. I hope the other side is very much clear to the audience. Anyways, thank you so much, sir, for spending time with us. And thank you for throwing light on so many doubted things, sir. Thank you so much once again. This is me, Varsha Venugopal from KTV India, signing off.